include determination of whether the question of any law is inconsistent with or in contravention of this Constitution. Number 2, the question whether anything said to be done under the authority of the Constitution or any law is inconsistent with or in contravention of this Constitution. Number 3, any matter relating to constitutional powers of the state organs and respective county governments and any matter relating to constitutional relations between levels of government. And number 4 is a question relating to conflict of laws under Article 91. The phrase substantial question of law is not defined in the Constitution. In the case of Harrison, Kenya River, as they were being canvassed by the party's advocates, on the issue of the constitutionality of standing orders, the respondents strongly oppose the contention that this amounts to substantial question of law because such issues have been litigated before, including constitutionality of statute by a single judge, and thus is not a novel question warranting the referral of this petition to the Chief Justice. I was, however, keen to pick out the unique challenges pointed by the petitioners in assailing the standing orders that the National Assembly particularly relied on in carrying out the impeachment process. The petitioners pinpointed various concerns. The limited duration of 7 days to carry out the entire process was cited as having an inhibiting effect on carrying out adequate and meaningful public participation. The failure by the standing orders to integrate or provide for any mechanism for public participation and or a framework to credibly authenticate the outcome of public participation process, while some of the issues that the petitioners raised as requiring serious circumspection, considering the fundamental position public participation occupies in providing continuous legitimacy to the actions of those charged with the exercise of delegated sovereign authority under the Constitution. Considering the immense public interest that this matter has generated, and being the first of its kind in Kenya where the Deputy President of the Republic is being removed by process of impeachment, it is my considered opinion that this matter deserves the input of a bench so as to pronounce itself on the process that is constitutionally compliant to serve as a benchmark for future undertakings of this nature. It is necessary for this citizenry of this country to know whether the current state of law allows adequate opportunity to participate meaningfully in the process of removal of their Deputy President. There was also the question whether the allegation subject to an impeachment should be circulated to the public should be circulated to the public with or without the response of the person being impeached, and if the absence of including the response that if the question whether the current parliament is properly constituted and thus incapable of carrying out the impeachment process in the light of Supreme Court Advisory Opinion number 2 of 2012 was also highlighted. The impeachment motion, if the jurisdiction of the court under Article 165(3) extends to interrogating the material relied upon under Article 45 and Article 145, so as to determine if the duration to support the allegations was established either in the National Assembly or the Senate or both. Given the extensive nature of this proceeding, starting from the National Assembly all the way to the Senate and the massive public interest of the matters generated, it will require the mind of more than one judge to determine. In any case, despite stiff opposition by the respondents, it is my considered opinion that these petitions raise weighty constitutional questions that fall under Article 163, B and D2. Hence, I am persuaded to refer them to the Chief Justice for empanelment of a bench. The lead petition shall be petition number E522 of 2024. The rest to be forwarded alongside this file to the Chief Justice are petition number E509 of 2024, E537 of 2024, E528 of 2024, E525 of 2023, E506 of 2024. So that is the decision.